In this e-learning, we're going to share with you another nice way of viewing. This is a tip about navigation in WISE option. So let's dive into this. As you've learned, in WISE option we have multiple tabs, which can sometimes become a little confusing, the navigation over here. An easy way for you to know about navigation is that the tab you are currently in or set on, it's in bold font letters and it's underlined. That's an easy identification. Every time you click on a tab, that changes to bold and underlined. And as you've seen, we have the first level tabs, and the tab underneath, the second level, it's related to the first level tab. So if you take a look on my second level tab here, it's associated to this one. If I change this tab, the second level tab, it's not the same because it's associated to this particular tab. For example, if I click on appointments here for this patient, I'm going to now have two tabs. When I go to this patient, I don't have appointments on this patient. Instead, I'm going to open for, let's say, for example, insurance. So here on this I have insurance, here on I have appointments, and here I have all the different settings. So the first thing we want to share with you, it's about the font and what you see on the second level tab. Now that you have the second level tab, it's the same principle. When you go here, what you have selected on the second level tab determines what you see on the third level tab. So the tabs underneath are always inherited or linked, associated to the previous level tab, and so on. So if I go to this one here, I see one thing. If I go to this one here, I see another thing. With this concept of multiple tabs, multiple levels in tabs, on the far right side of the program you will find multiple axes, which is sometimes confusing for the users to learn or to utilize this. But if you follow each X, you're going to see which line of tabs this is talking about. For example, if I click on this X here, I am going to not be closing the main, but I'm going to be closing the invoice number 90 that is currently open here because I am following this. And as soon as I close this tab, everything that is underneath that tab closes with it as well. If I click on this tab here, on the other hand, I will be closing this particular tab because I am on the line, and this X here refers to this tab here. Let's try that. I'm going to click over here and that tab is gone. All the other tabs remain, but as that particular tab went away, everything that was underneath is automatically closed with that tab as well. So you can close tabs on this many way. So you can just select the tab and click on the X. And it would be a little bit time consuming if I had to close each one of the tabs, close, 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 to go back to the main screen. That's why we have one upper, the very top one is associated to the entire window, the WISE option window where I have all my tabs. Therefore, if I click on this particular X here, the furthest top right corner, I am actually closing everything and returning to the main screen. So today we gave you some tips on navigation, how to operate with tabs and closing tabs to clean up the environment of navigation in WISE option. Thanks for watching.